And here is the Greenwood Propane torch with trigger start. So we're going to box this. We're going to go over to the Harbor Freight website, and then we'll take it outside and we'll test it. I have no weeds actually to burn here right now. I mean, it's going to take another month before everything greens up, and we're kind of in a burning restriction right now. It's been really dry here. We haven't had a lot of rain at all. I'm just going to pull this out and box it. Whoop. That was a auger on the other end of my bench I hit. Got instructions, a wrench. The hose is probably a little stiff. It's like, not too bad. It's about 35 degrees in my shop. Ain't too bad. It's 27 degrees this morning when I woke up outside. Okay, all right. Here it is here. So we're going to jump over to Harbor Freight website. I'm going to show you this real quick. Then we'll go out and test it outside. And here we are on the Harbor Freight website. And this is one that I bought that we'll be talking about, the propane torch, the push button igniter. Greenwood is one of many Harbor Freight exclusive brands, and the reason why Harbor Freight can rock bottom their prices and compete because it's their own brands. And then we got this other one over here, which is a Greenwood torch as well. It doesn't have the push button igniter. And then Chicago Electric here that this pops on a regular propane tank. The Greenwoods, these you have to use a 20-pound tank with. Recommended. I suppose you don't, but that the little tank will obviously drain pretty quick. And we have this one down here. This is a Triggers propane torch. This one I have. That one I use for copper pipe in house. My house is built in '73, so my entire house is copper pipe. So we do repairs now and then with that torch. Of course, a lot of the houses now are all plastic pipe. And then we got the Chicago Electric one here. All right, so let's pop over to and talk about that Greenwood torch a little bit. And there's a regular price on that, $37.99, which I got a pretty good deal on that. Let's go down to the feedback rating on this. 94%. I've used this for flat roofing, works great. Unlike the other, at double the price, this one even ignites itself. Just remember to have the gas low when you light it. This torch has several functions such as weed burning, driver repair, or starting your own huge fueled meat smoker. I never even thought about that. The secret of getting it the first time is staying it lit is open the tank valve all the way and just crack the torch barely. Once the flame stabilizes, then open the torch valve as far as you need. Do that and it works like a charm. The unit is self-lighting. There is no messing around with striking or butane lighters. It definitely produces the heat I need for repairing cracks or blacktop, melt the fillers that I use. The only drawback is that with the hose and the torch tank was longer. Yeah, that's the thing about it. Great investment, the guy says. You know, you're gonna have that small hose, so you're gonna have to carry around that tank, you know, as you move around if you're doing your driveway. All right, so I'm gonna go over to the price tracking website. It's a free website I use for tracking the prices on this. And this is when I bought it down here. This is a coupon. Then there's the regular coupon here. And you look down here. So that's when I bought it. Right down there, it got down to $26.99. That's when I bought this. All right, let's get back to the tool. All right, it does come with this wrench. That's used for tightening the valve on the tank. I think what I'll do, I'll just probably put a twist, probably put a little tie on here and tie it onto the hose so I don't lose it. So I'm gonna lose it. All right, let's take it outside and try it out. All right, so I have a brand new tank. I always keep a spare tank on hand. So if my girl runs out, I can just swap it and go into town and switch a old one out later. I do got the wrench. Tighten that up. And the threads on the propane tank, remember, they're counterclockwise. Let me reposition the camera. Well, there is a warning label on here too. I'll show you. The warning says burning propane indoors can kill yourself in minutes. Only burn propane outside, away from windows, doors, and vents. Well, of course, I'm not gonna. Who's actually gonna fire this thing up in your house anyway, right? Turn the valve on. Let that go a little bit. It's on. I got a little wind here. There we go. There it goes. You know, these guys said let it sit for a little bit and you first try it, and yeah, I don't want to burn too much or else. I'm gonna shut that off. It's really dry here. Well, I can see it does put out a pretty good flame, right? So what you're gonna do when you turn it on, you're gonna turn your valve on just a little bit, then hit that switch. It's gonna fire up. Turn your valve a little more on, then go ahead and pull your trigger. There you go. Yeah, make sure you're not pointing at your tank or your hose. All right, let me point it up full blast here. Yeah, loud. All right, I'm gonna shut this off and we'll go finish up the review. All right, we're back in my shop. Now I did go ahead and going to use that cap I put back on just to keep the end clean. And I did put a little twist tie on here just so I don't lose that, because you're definitely going to need this to tighten that up on that tank. All right, guys, pretty simple review. Let me know what you think or what you're using this for. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.